Number 1. Olni Kadar, Eternal. Olni Kadar is a Turkish TV series centered on Dr. Daghan Soysur, a young doctor wrongly convicted of murder at the age of 24. Daghan is framed by Ender, who kills Beril's father, Sejai, to cover up his affair with Beril and his desire to marry her. When Daghan is accused of Sejai's murder, despite his innocence, he is sentenced to life in prison. His fiancée, Beril, believes he is guilty, and Daghan loses the love of his life, his future, and the best years of his life. 11 years later, Selvi, a lawyer tormented by guilt, seeks to undo her mistake in testifying against Daghan as a child. Secretly, she helps reopen his case with new evidence, leading to his release from prison. However, Selvi harbors a dark secret about her involvement in Daghan's wrongful conviction, and Daghan vows revenge against those who wronged him. As the story unfolds, he grapples with his quest for justice, uncovering painful truths about his past, Beril's role, and Selvi's guilt. Ultimately, Daghan must decide whether to seek vengeance or find peace. Number 2. Intikam, The Revenge. Intikam is the Turkish adaptation of the popular American series Revenge. It follows the story of Yağmur Özden, who moves into a lavish mansion by the Bosphorus in Istanbul, hiding her true identity. Her real name is Diren Celik, and years ago, her father, Adil, was wrongfully imprisoned for a crime he didn't commit. Believing he was guilty, Diren was sent to an orphanage. Before his death, Adil kept a diary, hoping one day his daughter would uncover the truth. At the age of 18, Diren discovers the heartbreaking reality: her father died in prison, innocent of the charges. Consumed by anger and the need for justice, Diren returns to her childhood neighborhood, assuming the identity of Yağmur. There, she begins to plot her revenge against the powerful people who betrayed her father. Her quest for vengeance is driven by the desire for closure and retribution, setting the stage for a tense and thrilling battle. The Turkish version of Revenge adds an extra layer of depth, with its longer episodes allowing more time for character development and storyline exploration. Some viewers feel that the male actors, though not immediately striking, grow on you as the series progresses, showing more depth through their acting rather than relying solely on appearance. As for the pacing, the Turkish adaptation extends the plot, making it more drawn out than the American version, which can be a good or bad thing depending on what the viewer prefers. If you can look beyond the first few episodes and the initial comparisons to the American version, Intikam offers a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Number 3.
Kara Tehta.
Ezel.
Kara Tehta is a beautiful Turkish series which follows a boy named Atlas. When he gets bullied at the school, as a young boy, he leaves his hometown with his mother. Years later, he completes his education and is appointed to his former school in his hometown as a mathematics teacher. It is a coincidence, the day of reckoning has come for Atlas and his bullies, who nearly caused his death, and his father, who ignored all the bullying he went through. And then there is Irmak, the girl who stole his heart. Atlas' path is not an easy one. Will he be a teacher who sacrifices himself to help others, or a cruel person to get rid of his anger?
Number 4.
Sadakatsiz. In this series, you will see Asya, a successful doctor, who suspects her seemingly perfect husband Volkan of infidelity. After discovering a blonde hair strand on his scarf, she investigates secretly, revealing his affair with Diren. Shockingly, Asya realizes her friends, Derya and Bahar, were aware of the betrayal, leading her to confront not only her unfaithful husband but also the betrayal of her trusted friends. What will Asya do now? Watch this series to find out. Yargi is the series which gathered praise for its intense and gripping storyline, powerful performances from the cast, especially Cansu Dere, and the emotional depth that resonated with viewers. making it a compelling Turkish drama. However, there are many repetitive scenes in this series, which can annoy you from time to time, and the ending is not as good as expected. But still the series is worth watching.
Number 5.
Mahkum. In this gripping series, Frat Bulut, a prominent prosecutor, wakes up in prison accused of murdering his wife and daughter, with 5 months of his life a complete blank. Alone and with no memory, he embarks on a quest to unravel the mystery behind their deaths from behind bars. His only lead is a previous case involving the enigmatic Yesri family, where a young woman died under suspicious circumstances. With a link between the cases and the elusive twin brother Savas, Frat fights to regain his memory, his freedom, and uncover the truth in a suspenseful whodunit that will keep viewers on the edge of their seats. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out.
Number 6.
Tetikçinin Oğlu. Tetikçinin Oğlu revolves around the intertwined lives of two longtime friends, Korkmaz and Iskender, played by Temuzin Esen and Sevket Koru respectively. The two friends have been close for 40 years. However, tragedy strikes when Iskender's son dies in an accident caused by Metin, the son of Korkmaz, whom he had lost 22 years ago, and had been searching for all this time. The central conflict of the series emerges from this incident. Iskender, grieving the loss of his son, confronts Korkmaz about Metin's actions that led to the accident. On the other hand, Korkmaz is forced to face the consequences of his son's actions and the pain he has caused to Iskender's family.
Number 7.
Gaddar. Gaddar's story revolves around Daghan, a soldier who returns to his home from the east, and he gets shocked to find his hometown transformed into chaos after 2 years of absence. His family is shattered, with his sister eloping, his brother involved in illegal activities, and his parents estranged. The love of his life, Aidan, is missing, and he learns about her infidelity, shattering his dreams of reconciliation. Offered a job by a mysterious manager, Daghan initially refuses, but is forced into a life of crime when his best friend Samet dies, leaving him with a debt to the director. Faced with the imminent danger to Samet's family, Daghan reluctantly becomes a hitman, plunging deeper into a brutal world where he must balance his own morality with the need to protect his loved ones. As the series unfolds, Daghan's journey becomes a tense exploration of love, loss, and the sacrifices made in the face of escalating danger. According to me, Gaddar is a great series to watch, which marks a compelling return for Çağatay Ulusoy, showcasing his versatile acting skills in a well-crafted storyline. The series successfully blends suspense, drama, and action, drawing its viewers in with its intense narrative and leaving them eager for more.
Number 8.
Marasli. The trusted Marasli follows Selil, a retired special forces sergeant known as Marasli, whose life changes after his daughter is shot and traumatized. He becomes a second-hand bookseller in Istanbul while seeking justice for his daughter's tragedy. One day, he saves Mahur, a photographer who witnesses a murder. Mahur's life is in danger, as she is the only witness, and Selil reluctantly becomes her bodyguard. Marasli uncovers a connection between the murder and an attack on a concert hall 2 years prior. His involvement deepens as he tries to protect Mahur and unveil the culprits behind both incidents, while also seeking a remedy for his daughter's condition. The series delves into action, mystery, and family dynamics as Marasli navigates dangerous waters to find justice and healing. Will Marasli manage to save Mahur?
Number 9.
Ariza. Ariza is an excellent and action-packed series with captivating performances and a great storyline. It follows Ali Raza, a taxi driver seeking revenge against the mafia member Burak for killing his sister. In the series Ariza, Eka Esen plays the role of Halida, a young doctor who comes from a wealthy family. After a tragic incident that claims the lives of her mother and 2 brothers, Halida's life takes a dramatic turn. She crosses paths with Ali Raza, the protagonist, and becomes entangled in his quest for revenge against the mafia member Burak. Throughout the series, Khalida supports and accompanies Ali Rija in his dangerous journey as they confront the mafia and seek justice for their loved ones.
Number 10.
Leela, Hayat Ask Adalat. The series begins with Leela, who was very young when her father, Hilmi, marries Nur, a beautiful woman who had cared for Leela's late mother. Hilmi is blind to the torment that Nur inflicts on Leela, turning their home into a living nightmare. The situation worsens until Hilmi realizes too late that Nur is far from the loving stepmother she pretended to be, and he pays the ultimate price with his life. Left homeless and devastated, and now Leela vows to take revenge on Nur for destroying her family. Years later, Leela returns disguised as Ella, a skilled chef hired by Nur, who now lives luxuriously with her new partner, former football star Tufo. Complications arise when Leela's childhood protector, Gino, reappears in her life as Jeevan, Nur's adopted son. As Leela's quest for revenge intersects with her rekindled feelings for Jeevan, deep-seated family secrets begin to surface. The story unfolds as Leela confronts her past, battling both her desire for vengeance and the unexpected emotions that arise.
So that was the video, friends, but if you are interested in learning about more series like this, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel.